Hey guys, welcome back. We're here on day 3 of our trip from Florida to Colorado. We're in Bowling Green, Kentucky, home of the National Corvette Museum. Plan today is to offload the car off the trailer and drive it to the museum, get a little pictures, get a little once-in-a-lifetime experience, because I don't know if we'll ever get to come back here. So that's what we're doing today. If you like what I'm doing with the Corvette or even my Xterra or the dirt bike, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks. Hi.
Wrap it up. I love it.
Thank you. So we're here, we're inside the initial entry to the Corvette Museum. We haven't paid admissions yet, but we are inside. This is what we're looking at. We got the Corvette Museum, the archives, the library, the store. What my dad doesn't know is that I've already bought him one of these commemorative bricks. So we're gonna go and show him here, and it'll be a surprise for him. We were talking about these outside, saying how it'd be nice to have one of these. So I'm gonna try to surprise him here. Hey Dad, take a look at this one.
You found your name?
No, don't we know this guy over here? Come on, this is somebody from Delaware, right? This guy right here?
Holy crap! You did that?
Yeah, I'm down here.
Oh.
Yeah, I already got it.
Oh.
So it says, yeah, Jim. So that's our names, Butch and JT's. And if you don't know what Yeah Jim is, if you haven't noticed, that's on the back of the, that's the license plate on my dad's car. He's had it on there for years. That's his signature saying. Yeah, don't cry too much. I can't cry on video. Yeah, I did this about 5 weeks ago, and it just barely, it was placed this week. Like, I kept bugging the poor lady. She kept getting a call from me every week, and it was placed this week. That's why I that's why I walked out when John said, look at him, he's just like that guy, as soon as you get the check, he walks away. I was on the phone with her, and she was telling me where it was.
Oh.
So, because it was placed like a couple days ago.
God, it's inside too.
Yep. Right here on the main walk. And he's got the C2, he's got the second generation, the C2 flags and everything. Can you see it?
Yeah.
You want me to get a picture of you with it?
It's one of the nicest things ever.
All right. I'm gonna stop recording. All right, so I do want to give a big shout out to Becky for helping me out with this. I ordered this. I was online looking for tickets, figuring out how this works, and I just happened to find these, and it said it takes 4 to 6 weeks for delivery. I was at 5 weeks. So I put the order in, and I called her, and I said, look, ma'am, I really need this here by this time. It's a surprise for my dad's. Oh yeah, I forgot. Happy birthday. That's part of your birthday present.
Oh,
I know it's a little early, but that's part of it. So Becky, thank you. This is my dad. This is the guy that I kept trying.
Yeah, big crybaby.
Yeah, this is the one that I kept bugging you about, and this is why, because I knew he was going to be like this. My stepmom knew he was going to be like this. So thank you for making this happen and putting in the extra effort. Thank you very much.
Oh man.
he just turned to me and says, well, that's our 83. And I kind of stopped where I was and I says, talk to me about the 83. He said, well, that was the summer tryout car that they had when we started the vehicle before they decided to move up for 6 months. I said, Jack, I think you have a car that is worth something. I'm kind of one of a kind because I don't think there's any 83s left in this world as part of the pilots.
So there it is, guys. That is the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Dad and I visited here, spent about 4 hours, even though it says it only takes 1 to 2 to get through. People here were really nice. Thanks again to Becky for helping me out on that brick. I appreciate you. And if you guys like Corvettes, if you just like classic car stuff, I'm going to be chronicling my story with this on the channel, you know, and any of the events that I go to. So remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.